Guys, we're back with another video. Right near a Republic Services truck. It's a garbage truck, basically. And I don't want to get any closer yet. I'm going to get closer in a minute. So, you guys will get a very close view. He is getting out right now. We followed this guy. And now I'm about to go inspect the truck. I don't know why I said inspect, but I just want to look at it. Hopefully he gets back out. What is he doing? Like, hurry up. I want to get close to that darn truck. That probably hurts. Come on, hurry. I want to get close. I just realized I don't have my mask on. But that's okay because I'm in the open. Yo, what is this fool doing? What this fool doing, dog? It's cool. Hopping back in. Yo, this thing is huge. Oh. I wish I got my tripod. Crap. But I did not know I was going to be following a Republic Services truck with the dumpster on it. I'm going to go get closer. Yeah, guys, like I just said, getting closer. Guys, I'm literally walking right now. Yo, I'm getting so close to this car. I'm very close. Look how close I am. Yo, I love this. Yo, I have not been this close to a Republic truck since I was like 5. I was about to say 15. I don't know why. I'm not 15 yet. It smells kind of bad. Not gonna lie. Yo, look how close I am to this thing. This massive dumpster. It's a roll-off truck. I've been close to a compactor before. And a front loader, but never this. Well, the compactor was waste management, and this is Republic. But that. Bye, guys. This is crazy. I feel so awkward right now. Bye, guys.